Hello guys, welcome to Become a Techie YouTube channel. In this tutorial we are going to learn about how we can combine or link multiple worksheets into a single workbook, and how we can combine the data from multiple worksheets and show them into a single worksheet. Okay, so let's get started. So here I have sales 2020 data worksheet, and I have the data of various products which are fruits. Okay, so here you can see I have apple, mango, kiwi, cherry and watermelon products, and here I have their quantity, their unit price and total price. So total price, it is a multiplication of quantity and unit price. Okay, so you can see it is B2 into C2. Okay, so this is how I have calculated the total price. Similarly, I have the sales data for 2021, where again I have the similar products and I have the quantity, unit price and total price for 2021. Okay, and similarly I have a sheet for 2022 as well. And now in the total sales sheet, I want a consolidated, a summary of all these three sheets. So I want here the total sales for apple in the last 3 years, that is from 2020, 2021 and 2022. So the information from all these three sheets I want to combine and show it into this sheet, that is the total sales sheet. So what I can do is I can write a formula for this. So I can give equals. So let's start with equals, then I will give the name of the sheet. Okay, so it is sales 2020, just give a space here, 2020. So I am enclosing it into an inverted comma, and then I am giving an exclamation mark, and then just go here and see what is the total price. We want the sum of total price, right? So we'll check what is the cell. So cell is D2. Okay, so go here to total sales. Okay, this is, I don't want this. Okay, so it is sales 2020, it is the sheet name, then we have exclamation sign, and then we saw that the cell is D2. Okay, so I am giving a D2, and then plus, then the next sheet, so that is sales 2021, then give exclamation sign, and then here also it is D2 for apple. Okay, so it is D2, then again, sorry, yeah, again a plus, and so what is it? Okay, yeah, and then again you can give sales 2022 exclamation, and then again D2. So this is our formula, and then I'm giving enter. So you can see the value has come here. So this is the value for the total price of apple, I mean the total sales of apple product in the last 3 years. And what you can do is you can just copy this and apply to other cells. So you can see all the values have appeared here, and you can check now, like 24,000 plus 36,000 plus 60,000, so it will be this much. Okay, so yeah, says 2020, 2021 and 2022, and here you can see it is D2, here also it is D2, and here also it is D2. So we have, so we have given the name of the sheet, then we have given an exclamation sign, and then we have given the cell reference. Okay, so this is how we have calculated. If you go here, you can see it is D3 here, it is D4 cell here. So cell reference has changed, and so the values have changed. So likewise, we have consolidated the data, we have linked all the worksheets, all the three worksheets, and we have combined the data into the fourth worksheet. So you have seen how useful this is and how great this is. So using a single formula, we have reduced our time, and we have got the data into very few clicks. Okay, So this is how useful Excel is and how useful the formulas are. So if you like the video, just give a thumbs up. Please like the video, share the video, and please subscribe to the channel. So this will really help me. So please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.